Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my weekly Glam. Today I want to show you how I make my DIY infused calendula oil. This oil is amazing for dry skin and you can use it for your face, for your body and for your hands. Amazing base oils which are great for dry skin. It's apricot kernel oil and almond oil. And you can choose any method how you want to make your infused oil. Method number one, you just mix everything, close the jar, and leave it for 2 weeks in a dry, sunny place. And wait until these beautiful flowers infuse all the amazing properties into the oil. And the fastest is second one. You just heat it up for 1.5 hours on your stove, and then after that leave it for a little bit. I usually leave for 3 hours on the table, and only after that I sift it and transfer it into the bottle in which I'm going to use the oil. And that's it. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you did, give me the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tune in next week, because next week I'm going to show you how I will use my infused oil for my hands. And for now, thank you for staying. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.